Hey guys, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. I'm super glad to have you. I hope everyone enjoys the video. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Today I am making a shirt that's going to be more custom to the person who's going to get the shirt. So the main image is going to be a scooter. I've already got a scooter pulled from Design Space. I just did a search under scooter. And let's zoom into it so we can get a better look here. I was moving too quick for Design Space, but that's okay. So this is actually going to be a black t-shirt. So let's switch it to medium and to black, not white. There we go. No, that's not black. That's black. So we want this to pop as much as possible. And if you've ever worked with dark colored shirts, you know it can be really hard for that to happen. So we're going to make the bar there green. Let's make the scooter itself a silver color. You know, really showcase the metal. And then let's do the rest a good pop of blue. Let's see how that looks. So there's one version that we can do. Or let's switch this one to the pop of blue. Sounds like I'm saying papa. Pop of. So which one do you like better? I think I like it better with the touch of green. So let's switch back to that one. Make the rest blue. We could leave the wheels green, actually. What do you think? Because they'd be the metal centerpiece. Yeah, we'll leave those ones green. Now, we're going to customize this by actually putting the person's name on the back. Super easy way to do that. So let's check our sizing here. We'll go probably a few inches down from the collar. Let's try this 5 inches across. That will make it just under 4.5 inches wide. So let's try a little bigger. There. Almost looks like a sports jersey. So I'm going to get everything cut out and we'll put this shirt together. It'll be super fun. Okay, let's get everything weeded. This is a simple one to weed. A little bit of excess HTV iron on, but sometimes that's just how it is. Okay, we're ready to put the iron on. I've preheated the shirt, and now I'm just going to make a crease line down the center. Now this is a layered image, so I have to be mindful of how the layers go on. So let's get our shirt here. We got our nice center. That looks pretty good. So I've got them already set up how they go, and to find my center, I'm actually going to crease the bottom because it's just not going to work on the top. So let's line up those wheels the best we can. Make a little crease. The handlebar itself is going to be going on an angle, so you don't have to worry about that. But it's going to be where we want to line up the shirt. So that's about 3 fingers there. All right, and I'm going to move that. So that looks pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to tack this on for about 5 seconds because I've got 2 more layers to add. Nope, it needs a little bit longer. So this is Cricut Silver. There we go. Okay, and now I can either do the green or the blue. Just can't do them at the same time. Make sure that's cooled off a bit. Get that lined up. That looks pretty good. Putting this one back on just to protect the silver vinyl. Parchment. We'll do 5 seconds. The blue should stick on the 5 seconds. There we go. Okay, let's add the green. Pretty good. Pull up the full bike, get it the right way. Gonna do another 5 seconds, even though this is the last layer. And the reason I do it this way is so then I can do a final press with the first carrier sheet. And then that should help stop any lines. And we'll do this one for 20 seconds. I'm at 315 degrees Fahrenheit. Firm pressure. Sorry for the camera shake. Comes with the territory. Okay. Okay, we're ready to do the back, and I'm actually going to use my smaller heat pad. We'll get that inserted. I've put a line in. So let's find our center. And let's see where we want to put this. For the rest of my line there. I think I want to go a little further up. There, I think that looks fantastic. So, because this is only one layer, we're only going to do the one press. And this will be the full 30 seconds. Then we'll flip it over and do the other side. It's amazing how long 30 seconds takes when you're recording. I didn't pull down all the way. Let's give it an extra 5 seconds. Gonna let it cool. I'll do a cold peel on this one. Okay, when you weren't looking, I did the back 15-second one. Figured it'd be boring, but there's the front of the shirt. I think that looks great. The silver really suits it. And then the green and the blue, because they were brighter colors, are really popping against the black. And then there's the personalization on the back of the shirt. So quick, easy way to take a simple shirt and make it extra special for someone. So, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.